Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Total Dissolved Solids Test Strips. What is AquaChek Total Dissolved Solids Test Strips? Total Dissolved Solids, TDS, are the measure of everything that has dissolved in the water over time from numerous chemical dosages. High TDS contributes to cloudy water, makes balancing chemicals more difficult, and can lead to increased chlorine usage. Test the TDS to find out if it is time to drain and refill a hot tub. For a clean and healthy pool, test the water at each end a minimum of twice a week. Product benefits: easy to use and maintain your swimming pool or spa. Takes about 15 to 30 seconds to show results. A must for a swimming pool or spa owner. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.